When I made this video, I really wasn't expecting anything. But, as is often the case with YouTube, progress happens when you least expect it. I've been on YouTube about 6 months and I just hit 1,000 subscribers. I had promised myself I'd post a video each week, but my videos are project based in and around woodworking and guitar building. They take time to make. That week I didn't have time to create a brand new video, so I spent an hour or so jotting down my thoughts on my YouTube journey so far. I cut it together with clips from my previous videos and I posted it. I managed to squeeze out a video and fulfill the promise that I'd made to myself, and I get back to normal the next week. The video isn't perfect, I really wasn't happy with the audio on it, but it was done. I didn't expect what happened next. So let me take you through what happened, while maybe showing some of my new subscribers some of my earlier projects. The video looked to be doing okay for the first few days. Nothing crazy, but it was in line with my previous best performing video. Then all of a sudden, after a few days, it got picked up by the algorithm and started being promoted. Views rocketed, comments were streaming in from all over the world from introverts like me who had either been on the fence about starting a YouTube channel or had started and were looking for encouragement. Comments came from Argentina, Brazil, Canada, the Netherlands, India, Australia. I was genuinely floored by the support from the YouTube community and made a point of responding to all new comments. Of all the comments, about 5 were from jerks, looking to put someone down for putting themselves out there. But I really didn't care because the support and goodwill that people were sending quickly drowned them out. As an introvert, putting yourself out there is a big barrier to starting a YouTube channel, and I had a lot of comments from people who were worried about putting themselves out there and then getting hate. The good far outweighs the bad, and you'd be surprised how quickly you stop caring about petty comments. Don't let it be a barrier. In the video I mentioned that I just hit 1,000 subscribers, and I wanted to record my thoughts at that stage of my journey. And ultimately, I said this. As I approach this first milestone, I wanted to reflect on how far I've come. Maybe I'll make another video if I hit 10,000 subs. That might take 10 years, or 10 weeks, you never know with YouTube. Now when I said 10 weeks, there was no way in hell that I thought that was realistic at all. People started tracking my progress in the comments, giving me updates as my subscribers rocketed to 5,000, 7,000, 9,000. The support was insane, and 4 weeks after that video had come out, I'd hit 10,000 subscribers. It was a great journey to have, and I'm very aware that success like this is no way guaranteed in the future. But I'm grateful for it. I'm grateful for all the kind words, the encouragement, and I'm really glad that over 6 months ago I took the leap to start my channel. I was debating making this video. When I mentioned revisiting my YouTube journey at 10k subscribers, I didn't think I'd be contemplating it so soon. But in the end, I thought back to all the people that had expressed an interest in the journey, and dare I say it, maybe I'll pick this video up again if I ever hit 100,000 subscribers. You've got to be ambitious. So far that video has picked up over 312,000 views, 11,800 watch hours, that's almost 500 days, which is insane, and has also picked up almost 9,000 subscribers. This video is also the one that pushed me over the barrier to apply for monetization and monetize my channel, and so far this video has brought in just short of £760 in ad revenue. Not to be sniffed at, but that was a lot of views. It was an anomaly for me, and I know not to expect that kind of money from all my videos. Aside from that, I also noticed how I started getting more inquiries from companies who are looking to collaborate. It's really hard to work out what is real and what's potentially a scam, and many of them were pretty ropey, so not right for me, so I turned them down. But a couple were very interesting and genuine, so it may be that some of these projects start coming to the channel very soon. In fact, the first packages arrived today, and I'm very excited about it. That said, there are also some concerns. That video reached a really diverse audience, people with wide and varied backgrounds and interests. Not everyone who watched that video will want to watch my woodworking videos. And when you upload a video to YouTube, YouTube tests it with your subscriber base before deciding whether to promote it. So have I shot myself in the foot by attracting an audience that may not engage with my normal content? Time will tell, but ultimately I've enjoyed making the video and people have enjoyed watching it. So regardless of how the algorithm treats me moving forward, I'm going to stick by the advice I gave in that first video. Be yourself, do what you love, and trust that the right people will find you. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.